If you look at this question, students, now sum of solutions of modulus of root x minus 2 plus root x into root of x minus 4 plus 2 is equal to 0, where x is a positive number. What is the sum of solutions? First we have to find the solution and then add it. Is it okay? So root of x minus 2 plus, I can write this as root x into root x can be written as root x the whole square minus 4 root x plus 2, that is equal to 0. So I can now write root x minus 2 plus, you can see here, root x the whole square minus 4 root x, I'll do like this, plus 2, I'll add 2 and subtract 2, that is equal to 0. This is one addition what I've made here. I'll add 2 and subtract 2. So what am I going to get here is root x minus 2 plus, you see here, I can write like this and show you, root x the whole square minus 4 root x, 2 plus 2 will be 4, that is equal to 2. Yes or no? So now this will be a perfect square number. This will be a perfect square number. Modulus of root x minus 2 plus, this I can write it as root x minus 2 the whole square. Is it right? That is equal to 2. And you know that all square numbers are positive only. Modulus is also positive. Correct or not? So I can write modulus root x minus 2 plus modulus root x minus 2 square. It does not make any difference, right? Modulus root x minus 2 the whole square, that is equal to 2. Let us put modulus of root of x minus 2, that is equal to a. That is equal to a. Say, you can put a, b, c, d, k, x, anything you can, k, y, anything you put other than x. Is it okay? So I'll get here y plus y square, that is equal to 2. So I can write y square plus y minus 2, that is equal to 0. So the best method, what I've been telling you for all the problems where factorization involved is sum product, plus 1 and minus 2, right? Plus 1 and minus 2. So I can write this as a plus 2 and minus 1. Is it right? Plus 2 and minus 1, because here the sum is plus. Product will be always multiplication of first and the last term, last numbers. So by default, the shortcut method what I've been telling you is y is equal to invert the sign of factors and divide by the coefficient of the highest degree term. Minus 2 by 1 comma 1 by 1, y is equal to minus 2 comma 1. But this y, not to forget that it is nothing but modulus of root of x minus 2. That cannot become equal to minus 2, right? That cannot become equal to minus 2. So you forget this. So this implies modulus of root of x minus 2 should be equal to a positive quantity, correct? So I can again write root x minus 2 should be equal to, when you remove the modulus, true value will be plus or minus 1. Root x minus 2 is equal to plus 1, or root x minus 2 is equal to minus 1. So root x, that is equal to 1 plus 2, 3. So x should be equal to 9. So root x should be equal to minus 1 plus 2, that is equal to 1. So x should be equal to 1. These are the two possible answers because x is greater than 0 is given in the problem. So the sum of solutions will be equal to 9 plus 1, that is equal to 10, which corresponds to the option number D. Is it okay? These are the two solutions possible.